morning, children. Today in this video, you are going to help me out to arrange my 30 bangles. You know, I am very finicky about keeping my cupboard neat. So I want to arrange the bangles in piles, and every pile should have equal number of bangles. So how many piles should I make? While deciding how many piles should I make, you have to see that no bangle should be out of the pile and all the piles should have equal number of bangles. So the number of bangles in a pile, in that number, in that table of that number, 30 should come. We have to do like that. For example, I can arrange them in 3 piles. है ना? I can arrange them 3 tens are 30. Or I can arrange them in 10 piles. In those 10 piles, there will be 3 bangles each. So we have to decide how to do it. Come, let's do. Children, I have 30 bangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 fives is 30. I have 30 bangles and I want to store them in equal piles. Every pile should have same number of bangles. Either I should store them in piles of 1 bangle each, like I have stored right now. But this is a very inefficient way of doing it. So if I do it in this manner, when I have 1 bangle in 1 pile, in that case I will have 1 into 30 piles. See the way I am having now. I have 1 bangle in each pile and there are 30 piles. Okay, now I am going to arrange these bangles in piles where there are 2 bangles in each piles. I'll arrange and I'll show it to you. Now have a look. I have arranged the bangles in piles of 2 bangles each. See, there are 2 bangles in each pile. So how many piles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 piles of 2 bangles each. But this is also not an efficient way to store bangles. So I thought, let me arrange in piles of 3. Every pile should have 3 bangles each. I am going to do it and show it to you again. Now children, in all these piles, there are 3 bangles each. I'll just show you. See, there are 3 bangles each in all these piles. Let us count how many piles have I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there 30 bangles have been arranged in 10 piles of 3 bangles each. Now if I have less space, I want to further reduce it. So let me arrange in piles such that there are 5 bangles in each pile. Okay, I am going to arrange and show it to you. Have a look children. Now there are 6 piles and in these 6 piles there are 5 bangles each. I am just going to show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bangles in this pile. Okay, I'll show you one more pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each pile has got 5 bangles and there are 6 piles. 6 fives is 30. So these 6 piles have 5 bangles each. 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 5, 20 and 5, 25 and 5, 30. So this is another way of arranging the bangles. Okay, but now I still have less space. So what should I do? So I thought of arranging the bangles in the pile in such a manner that every pile has 6 bangles instead of 5. I will arrange and show it to you. See children, now these piles are occupying still less space. There are 5 piles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in each pile there are 6 bangles. I am going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bangles in each pile. So 6 ones are 6, so 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. So my 30 bangles have got arranged in 5 piles of 6 bangles each. Okay, now I still want to reduce the number of piles. I am going to reduce the number of piles and show them to you. Okay children, see, I've got 3 piles now, and I'm sure all of you can guess how many bangles are there in each of these piles. Come on, guess. Yes, you are right. There are 10 bangles in each piles. Okay, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, this time I have made 3 piles of 10 bangles each and arranged my 30 bangles. So this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. But suppose children, I don't have that much of also space. So what should I do? Come on, you guess. In the meanwhile, I'll arrange. Okay children, I am going to try and pile them up in one pile. Let us see whether I can do it or not. I don't want my bangles to break. I don't want them to fall down. Oh yes, I can do that. So children, in this pile there are 30 bangles. So I can arrange my bangles in one pile of 30 bangles each. So children, when I arranged the bangles in 30 different piles, 1 into 30 is equal to 30. Then when I arranged them in 15 different piles, so 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Then I arranged in 3 different piles. 3 tenza is 30. Then I arranged them in 5 different piles. 5 sixza is 30. So children, 30 has many factors. So many factors. See, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 30. So children, 30 is the multiple of all these numbers. You remember what is the name of our chapter? Be my multiple and I'll be your factor. So 30 is a multiple of all these numbers, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 30, they are the factors of 30. So that's all for today children. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Have a great day. Bye.